Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword, it's a way of life for many Coppell residents. From energy-efficient appliances to water-saving landscaping, homeowners are finding new ways to reduce their environmental footprint while saving money. One of the most impactful, yet often overlooked, upgrades is professional window installation. The right windows, installed correctly, play a major role in creating a greener, more efficient home. Here's how window installation in Coppell contributes to sustainable living. Reducing energy consumption. Coppell summers can be hot and humid, while winters bring cooler temperatures. Poorly installed or outdated windows are one of the biggest culprits of energy loss, letting cooled or heated air escape and forcing your HVAC system to work harder. With professional installation, windows are sealed tightly to eliminate drafts and gaps. Pairing precise installation with energy-efficient window designs, like low-E glass and double or triple panes, helps reduce energy consumption dramatically. The result? Lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Maximizing natural light. A well-planned window installation allows for more natural daylight to flow into your home. More sunlight reduces your dependence on artificial lighting during the day, which cuts down on electricity use. For Coppell homeowners working from home or spending more time indoors, this natural light also creates a healthier environment by improving mood and productivity. Sustainable living isn't just about saving energy, it's about improving quality of life. Better indoor comfort year-round. Sustainable living means balancing efficiency with comfort. Professionally installed windows with advanced insulation help maintain steady indoor temperatures, minimizing the need for constant heating and cooling. Summer. Low-E coatings reflect heat while still letting in natural light. Winter. Insulated glass and weather stripping help retain warmth. By improving comfort, you'll rely less on energy-hungry systems, which supports both sustainability and cost savings. Durability and longevity. Sustainability also means choosing solutions that last. Poorly installed windows may fail prematurely, leading to more frequent replacements and increased waste. Professional installation ensures your windows are properly supported and protected from water damage, warping, or seal failure. This durability reduces the need for frequent replacements, keeping waste out of landfills and lowering your long-term expenses. For Coppell residents, investing in quality installation is an eco-friendly decision with lasting returns. Supporting eco-friendly materials. When replacing or installing new windows, homeowners can choose frames and glass made from sustainable materials. Many modern windows feature vinyl or composite frames that are recyclable and low maintenance. Wood from responsibly managed sources certified by sustainable forestry practices. Glass manufactured with eco-conscious methods that use less energy and water. A professional installer can help guide you toward the most sustainable options for your home. Boosting property value through green upgrades. Sustainability isn't just about saving money today, it's also about building long-term value. Eco-conscious buyers are increasingly looking for homes with green features like energy-efficient windows. By investing in professional window installation now, Coppell residents can increase their home's resale appeal while aligning with a growing demand for environmentally responsible living. Contributing to a greener community. Individual choices add up. When more Coppell homeowners upgrade to energy-efficient, professionally installed windows, the community as a whole benefits from reduced energy demand, fewer greenhouse gas emissions, and a healthier environment. Sustainable living starts at home, but it creates ripple effects that support a greener future for the entire city. Final thoughts for Coppell residents. Window installation is more than just a home improvement project, it's a key part of sustainable living. By reducing energy use, maximizing natural light, enhancing comfort, and choosing durable, eco-friendly materials, professionally installed windows help you live greener while enjoying real savings and long-term value. If you're looking to make your Coppell home more sustainable, start with your windows. With expert installation and the right products, you'll create a more comfortable home today while protecting the environment for tomorrow.